Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Deck. This is the part 2 of my HTML Crash Course series. So this is where we left in part 1. So we put it the comment lists. So we'll continue from there. So now there are two types of lists. Organized list and unorganized list. So first we'll do the unorganized list and then we'll do the organized list. So for unorganized list, you have to put UL and then tab. Enter. So inside that you have to put the li tab. So li means lists and UL means unorganized list. Okay, so inside that we'll put list 1. I need to copy that and I'll paste it. Okay, change the list number. Okay, save that. Reload. And here you get the unorganized list. So in unorganized list, you'll get this dot symbol. But in organized list, you'll get the numbers. So we'll do the organized list now. For that, you have to put OL, tab, enter. Now you have to put li, tab, and then inside that you'll put the same thing like this. Just copy this and paste it. Okay, so I'll save that, reload, and you get the organized list, but comes with 1, 2, 1, 3, and so on. Okay. So after that we'll do the table. For that we'll put another comment, table. Okay, so enter. For table, first we have to put the table tag after our table and then click enter. Inside that you have to write t head, enter. Inside the t head you have to put the tr, tab, t d, tab. Okay, so in here, so here you have to put name, email, and age. Okay, so let's save that, and here get the name, email, and age. So after the t head we'll do the t body. T body tab. Okay, so inside t body we'll do the tr, enter, and the td. Okay, so we'll need to write the name here. So I'll put Aisha Rauda. Okay, so next td I put my email, which is Aisha Rauda, and gmail.com. Okay, so after that we'll put another td and then we'll put the age, put 13. Okay, save that, then reload. You will get name. Below name you'll get Aisha Rauda. Below email you'll get my Gmail ID, and below age you'll get the age. So like we'll do a few more like this. Okay, I'll just copy, paste. Okay, so I'll just change the name here. supposedly I'll put Surya Fatima. Okay, Surya Fatima. Okay, and put it 33, I guess. Okay, and here I'll put Moheen Badshah, and here I'll put Moheen Badshah at gmail.com. Age I'll put 34. Okay, so I'll save that and reload, and there you go, you'll get it. So now you can see here there is not much space in between the name, email and the age. So for that we have to do CSS. So we can do that in my CSS crash course will be coming really soon. So don't forget to subscribe so you can watch that crash course too. Okay, so after this we'll do the form. Okay, for the form I'll put another comment. Okay, so for that first you have to put the form tab. Okay, so inside here we have to put action process.php. Okay, so there is no file called process.php which I have made, but I'm just putting it for sample. So when you click submit in this form, it will go nowhere. It will show file not found or something. But for that you have to learn PHP, and then you can make your form actually submit. Okay, so after that we'll put action. That will be post. Okay, so inside the form first you have to put URL. Okay, oops, sorry for that, just a sec. Oh my, okay, so after that you have to put div and stuff. Okay, so the div is like a column or a part of something, so we'll put the div, and then after the div we will put the label. Inside that we will put the first name or last name or whatever you want to put in there. Then we have to put the input. In that we have to put input type text. Then we have to put the name, which is first name, and then the placeholder will be enter name, enter first name. Okay, so you can change the placeholder. I'll show you. You have to save this. Can't see. Okay, so the placeholder is what comes before you type something in there. So you can put enter first name or type for first name here or whatever you want. Okay, so after that we'll put some more. Okay, so we'll put email. Okay, enter email ID, and name will be email. Okay, now the last one is, let's say we'll put okay, message. Okay, so we have to change type to message. change the name. Message. Okay. I'm changing this to type your message here. Okay. Okay, so you'll save that. Now we'll reload. Okay, so just type your message here, enter email ID, so you'll automatically get some of the email IDs. Okay, so enter first name and you get some options, or you can write. Okay, after that we'll put to okay, so after that, just to show you guys, I'll put another, and this one I'll put quantity. Okay, so now the type I'll change it to number. Okay, so change this to quantity. Okay, and okay, save that, reload. Oops, so I forgot to change this. I put it, enter quantity here. Okay, save that, reload. So in this type number, you can actually just a sec. Oh, just a minute, I forgot to put the ending. Right, okay, save that, reload. So in the quantity one, you can actually change it, the quantities from these buttons. You can change the size and fonts and everything of all of these in CSS. As I said, I will be posting a crash course for CSS too, so don't forget to watch that too. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. I post videos every Saturday, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel, and tell in the comments what videos I should post next. See you next Saturday. Bye.